Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today's video I'm going to be sharing with you on how I braided my short hair. So I've been braiding my hair for the past, I want to say 4 days, no actually about 5 days, but I only did for 3, and then I did it for 2 days, and then I took a break. I took 2 days off because my hands were killing me, like my fingers were killing me from like trying to grab like this little hairs. So yeah, I did 2 days and then took 2 days off, and then I continued again yesterday, like the top part here, and then I'm just going to finish this little bit here. I think I'm left with about 4 pieces. So yeah, I've been braiding my hair, and this is like all the braids that I did. And as for the hair that I'm using, I am using expression braiding hair in color number 1, and I did cut it once just in the middle, and I did feather the ends out so that they are nice and feathered down here. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking so far, and I've already used 2.5 packs, so this is the last piece from the half. I still have like a full half on the 3rd packet. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I do it on this last pieces here. I think I'm left with about 4 pieces. And prior to braiding my hair, I just washed it and conditioned. I didn't add any lotion or any oil or anything like that. I didn't want it to be like slippery. I just washed it and shampoo and condition in the shower, and I didn't add anything. I also didn't add any sort of gel or beeswax or edge control. I've just been braiding my hair like this, and I didn't blow dry it, so this is how long my hair has gotten. So as for the parting, I haven't been using like combs. Like in the beginning, I tried to use those little metal clips. Let me see if I have some here. I did try to use like those little metal clips to like try to hold down the part, but it was just useless. It didn't do anything. It didn't help at all. So what I'm doing is I just like grab like enough portion from the mixture and with just my nails and like try to clean it a little bit. I'm not really doing like parting with a comb or anything like that. I'm just making sure I get like a cleanish part, and they're not straight. I'm just grabbing like random pieces, and then I go ahead and take enough piece of hair. And I don't really have like a specific gripping method. This is how I normally braid my hair. Even when I had long hair, this is how I would do it. So I would take a piece of hair like this and then grab the natural hair and just do like one braid like this, and then braid, like making sure I'm grabbing my natural hair, and then separate one of the strands into 2 like so, and continue doing the braid until like the end of my natural hair. So just continue braiding like so, and then once I get to the end of my natural hair, I start twisting. So I decided to do twist because they're quick braids. I'm not really fast when it comes to braids, and it was just gonna take forever, so I decided to go with twist. So yeah, so I just continue twisting until I get to the end. So one twist normally takes me like a minute to complete, which is not bad. So I would say in total I braided my hair for 3 days, like not 3 full days of course, maybe about 8 to 10 hours a day, and I was stopping in between, like making food, eating, cooking, cleaning, taking care of my baby. Yeah, so all in all, I would say it took me about 3 days. I would just say 3 days, but it wasn't like full 24 hours. day. So moving to the second one, I'm doing the same. Grab the natural hair, do like a first braid, second braid, and then separate one of the strands. So, and when I start twisting, I make sure I'm joining the strands that I separated together so that the whole braid is like balanced. And then I just continue twisting until the end. Heavy. I don't think I've ever had like this much braids on my hair. Like I feel like I used a lot. I think it's because I was grabbing like small portions, so that's why I have like a lot of hair, but it actually looks really, really nice. So yeah, this is my complete head. So this is how they look. Let me see if I can show you the back. So this is how the back looks. Of course it has loosened up because it's been like almost 5 days now, so the back has loosened up, but it's still fine. So I did my whole entire head, and the good thing about it is that I haven't even lost one. I thought they would like fall off or like fall off when I'm sleeping or something like that, but I haven't even lost one of them. So I still have all of my hair on my head. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and dip the ends in hot water, just the ends. I'm not gonna dip the whole head, just the ends, so that they can like stay soft and not get tangled all the time, I'm gonna dip them in hot water, and I'll also add a little bit of coconut oil so that they can stay like nice and sleek and not tangle. So I am back from dipping my hair in hot water, just the ends. I did like a quarter length, so as you can see the different, now the ends are like nice and smooth and sleek. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut like a little bit here. So now they're like super nice, they don't tangle at all, and I did add coconut oil into the water when I was boiling them. So this is how they look. So yeah, this is the complete final look. I am loving them. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking, and I haven't put anything on it, like it's like really itchy. I think I'm gonna just use like a braid spray, because I don't want to use anything that will make them like loose. I don't even want to get water onto them, so I'll use maybe like one of those oil sprays, because they're like really itchy. So yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.